In this session I tell how to install simple pipe script in Maya to quickly make pipes in Maya. I provided the link to this script in resource folder. Just copy and paste it in your web browser. Just download it. Open the source folder. Just cut script. Got to Documents Maya Scripts folder and paste it here. Now close these. Now just check script in Maya. Open Maya. I also provided the CMD for script, just copy it and paste it in Maya command line. Now middle mouse drag to the shelf to make a button. Right click, edit it. Name it pipe. Choose any color. Click on Save All Shelves. Now it's time to check the script. Make a cube. Bevel a edge. I want to make pipe on this face. Choose a face. Go to Edges, to Edge Perimeter. Go to Modify. Convert polygon edges to curve. Go to Edit to reset the settings and choose Linear option and apply. As you see, we successfully make curve out of edges. Now while holding curve, go to Pipe button in shelf. Choose Create and it will make pipe, but as you see radius is huge, manage it accordingly. You can also choose the segments. You can rotate it also. You can also twist it. But right now twisting is not working properly. You can check various options and manage as you like. For reset the setting, go to Settings, Reset Settings. Resize it. Now make it here. But first click on Finalize it. Repeat the steps. Go to Modify. Convert polygon edges to curve. We can also make a button in shelf by just clicking Ctrl-Shift together. Now make edge selection again. Go to this button to convert edges to curve. Choose curve from outliner and click on Create. See, it is quite useful script. Now install more scripts in next session.